So hello and welcome guys to our video of installing Metasploit on Android. In this video we would be installing Metasploit using a sh file which I have found on GitHub after a very long search, because all the sh files and all the Metasploit repositories were not working on Termux because it was asking for Nokogiri 1.8.2 and the thing was installing 1.8.0 which is not compatible and it was not running. So this file will fix your errors and you won't get any kind of error from now, and I will give you the link of that file in the description box, so please go check it. First download it. It would be in your downloads folder, so you know how to go to your downloads folder. It's cd/SDCARD and then you have to just type ls and check where it is. It has to be cd downloads. According to mine it is cd downloads, and you have to unzip the file first of all, and after unzipping you have to move it to your Termux home directory. It would be like cp minus f or v. I think it was f, and you can just watch the later on video. And this video is not shot on my phone, it is shot on my friend's phone because we were shot on mobile devices, because my device was already having Metasploit and I didn't want it to delete it, because deleting Metasploit from my phone means half of my tools won't work and I have to install it again, which takes a lot of time. So we have installed it on a device. If your Metasploit thing, that sh file stops working, don't worry, it will work. At any cost it has to work. It will take 1 hour at most to install Metasploit on your Android device. It depends completely upon your internet connection and your device RAM, because if your device is having like 4 GB of RAM, it would install in 30 minutes or 45 minutes. And it is a long video, so be patient, and after watching the video, watch the video till the end and then only try to install it. There is a freaking helicopter passing by, so I can't do anything about that. I can't stop it and I don't want to cut this thing. So in the video, if it stops, don't worry, just be patient. So the formula to install Metasploit on Android is to be patient, and this is for my part, and my friend's part would start in like 3 seconds, where I'm going to cut all the voice and there would be music, because we can't do commentary of nothing literally.
Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
So I am again saying that this problem that is occurring, that Metasploit is on a loop, this only occurs in our phone because our phone is kind of a legendary one, and it only is for our phone. It won't happen in your phone. We have tried this and it will open at once, not like this, it is on a loop. So if it is happening, then don't worry, it would eventually open. You just have to be patient. I already told that in the earlier clip that I showed you of my phone. So that's it. So after such a long time, finally we have installed Metasploit on our Android device, and as you can see that MSF is working. And oh yes, if you made it till the end of the video, then just click like, click subscribe, and please share this video because this is the only Termux Metasploit that works.